Hey guys, welcome to SuperFresh. Today's recipe is a very popular Indian vegetarian dish, Avial. The ingredients needed are carrot, beans, brinjal, potato, raw banana, yam, drumstick, chow chow, green peas, green chilli, curd, curry leaves, coriander, coconut, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dried red chilli, coconut oil, turmeric powder, salt. Take a kadai, pour some water into it, sprinkle some salt, then add the sliced vegetables. Add some turmeric powder into it and mix the ingredients well. Once the vegetables are tender and nicely cooked, add the masala coconut paste. Cook for another couple of minutes till the vegetables completely absorb the coconut paste. Meanwhile, prepare tempering by heating oil. Add mustard seeds and urad dal, dry red chillies and curry leaves. Allow to splutter. Turn off the flame and add 1 cup of sour curd. Further pour the tempering onto the avial and mix well. And finally, add some coriander leaves. Ta-da! Our avial is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and click the bell icon.